just landed yesterday from Molokai and we're off to the Big Eye.
Yeah, we don't stay still for long.
Kilauea is going off, so we figure this is our opportunity to get in there and see it while we can. So we're off.
Observance on how cool down this pipe.
She'll never move here today. She said that because she doesn't want Koki frogs. She doesn't want to hear them.
There's a line about the start.
I can go to it.
You want the kids to get ready.
Hi.
$30 for 7 days.
Okay. What does it say? Check in on that.
Oh, that's tomorrow. Friday.
got in pretty late. We've been looking for a place to eat for a while and everything's been just full. It's taken everywhere. So we ended up here at this restaurant, and I forgot what it's called. The Volcano House, I think, or something like that. And so we're waiting for a table, and hopefully we can get some food tonight. And maybe go on a hike to see the volcano tonight. Great.
Maybe there's something really cool there.
We should do that.
There isn't.
They got cave spray. Here we are at the lava tubes. We're looking for
Thurston lava tube.
Thurston lava tubes. We're looking for cave spiders and cave
Really
insects
We're not.
and
I'm
as
not.
many creepy crawlies as we can find.
Yeah, I'm not looking.
Hopefully the lava doesn't start flowing while we're in the lava tube.
You gonna tell everybody where we're at too? Kilauea
We're at
National Park.
Volcanoes National Park.
Volcanoes National Park.
It's at Kilauea. And yesterday night we saw the lava down below. So let's just all pray that the lava doesn't flow in the tube we're in today.
That's not gonna happen. So we're checking out the visitor center. Pretty busy. do you think we're gonna do now?
I think we're gonna get lost.
It sounds like a bad idea.
We usually get lost.
So we're gonna take a walk to Jagger Overlook, right? And get the views from Kilauea up here. So now that we've checked out the rest of the stuff, we're gonna go on a hike. It's called the Kilauea Iki trail. I don't think it's that long. I think it's like 3 miles or something. But we're gonna go do that for some of our day. So let's go. Sounds like broken glass.
All sparkling.
Shine bright like a diamond. So the Friday night special here is fish and chips. So we're gonna go check it out. Sounds good to me. The Crater Rim Cafe. So we just got our orders. Looks really good.
Everything here has been pretty good so far.